So it's been a hard winter. Still kind of a hard winter right now. It's cold. Um, anyways, so because of all the, you know, ice and shifting and everything else, kind of basically destroyed the gate. I mean, basically it was on a last leg situation, anyways. So this is what I'm thinking of doing, because there's no more meat on this thing. I can't really drill any more holes in it. It just just come apart. So this is what I'm thinking of doing. I've got some offcuts from previous projects. So this is what I'm thinking. I'll do something like this, and then it'll build up. I'll have something to go against, and then I can put in another one, same right size, kind of go against here like this, and then you know what I could do is actually maybe what I'll do is I'll make it a little higher, and then this way you got a handle that you can actually pull on it, so that might actually be better anyways, and then this way you got a little bit more, something you can pull against rather than just pulling here, which is fine anyways, but I figure we'll do that. So actually maybe what I'll do is when I'm doing these or this one, I'll sand it down or cut it down a little bit, so this way any water will just beat off of it, and then this way a little nicer to pull, like more of a handle kind of deal. So yeah, that's a good idea. Yeah, we'll try that, and then we'll see how it works. Okay, so kind of what I'm going to do here, I'm going to cut this. Now, you could use like a jigsaw or something, but I got a table saw, so I'm going to use that. I'll only need to do, I think, one section, unless I want to do a second one. Just, I don't know, I'll try to, just take a look at it and see what makes the most sense. So yeah, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to do this and just put it at like almost like a 45-degree angle, just so that this way so it's easier to kind of grab, and then this way afterwards when I sand it, it's you're not going to have as much as sand. I think it'll look good. So yeah, we'll just set this up, and then we'll cut it. That's not bad. It's not perfect, but it's okay for what I'm using it for. It's gonna be fine anyways. So yeah. So next I'll just sand this down, then get set up, and then bolt it in, I guess, or screw it in. Okay. If nothing else, at least it eliminates some of the splinters. Yeah. Okay, let's give this a whirl. course, where I want to put it, that's exactly where I put the other screw. So I'm going to take that one out. At least the 3-hole drill. So the hole that's drilled. All right, let's give it a little bit of a whirl. I think the handle idea actually worked out better than I thought it was going to. So, added bonus. So what I'm going to end up doing is, eventually I'll paint this, just make it look a little nicer. But right now it's too cold. The paint will never dry. So yeah. So that's kind of it for today. Thanks for stopping by. Talk to you later. Bye.